How to change Instagram password. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can change your Instagram password. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've made sure of that, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open the Instagram app. As soon as you open Instagram, you can see I'm currently logged into one of my accounts, and let's say I want to change the password for this account right over here. There are a couple of things which you can do. The very first thing you have to do is from the bottom right tap on your profile icon in order to go to your profile page. Once you come to your profile page, on the top right hand side you can see those three horizontal lines. Simply tap on those three horizontal lines, and at the bottom of the screen you have to go ahead and select the first option which says settings. As soon as you tap on settings, you'll be able to see these kind of options. Over here, halfway down the bottom, you'll find this option which says security. All you have to do is simply go ahead and tap on the security tab. As soon as you tap on security, at the very top you'll find this option which says password, so simply tap on the password button. As soon as you tap on password, if you do remember your current password, go ahead and enter your current password over here, and then enter the new password to which you want to change to. You basically have two options to confirm. Enter your current password, enter your new password, and re-enter your new password on this box. And if you don't remember your old password, what you can do is, whether you're on login screen, let's say you are signed out as well, you can simply tap on forgotten your password button, and it will send a link to one of your emails or phone number in order to reset your password. And you could basically go ahead and open that particular email. Let's say, for example, let me just go ahead and open that particular email and show you whether we have received the reset link or not. So I will simply open the reset link, and right over here you can see it says new login and so on. If you have resent a password request, it's basically so up here. So I'm going to go ahead and select all inboxes, and then you can see at the very top it can say Instagram reset your password. All you have to do is tap on reset your password option which you see. As soon as you tap on reset your password, all you need to do is tap on this button which says reset password, and it will take you to a page where you can simply enter your new password without having to enter your old password, and then tap on the reset password button. This way you can change your Instagram password very easily. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.